Hey guys, and welcome back. Today, for my birthday, I am going to be doing a mod review. And because I couldn't really find any birthday party mods or just party mods altogether, I'm doing the armor movement mod. And basically what it does is it adds a bunch of tools, but you know how for like the birthday, it would be like hang gliding or whatever if you were like an adult. Well, that's what these kind of things are, like a glider and stuff, so yeah. I am just going to get started on the vid. First thing is the grappling hook. It's made like this, 3 iron ingots on the top, a string, basically like an iron pickaxe, but the bottom stick is got string. And that is the grappling hook. It looks like that, and I will go show you how to use it. Basically, here, what happens is you let's say there's this kind of thing. Oh no, I can't get past. Oh wait, I have my grappling hook. It lands on top and then it teleports you on top like that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It could be useful in a lot of situations. I know when I'm like climbing up the extreme hills biome, it gets so annoying. Anyways, the next things I'm going to show are the life vest, the scuba helmet, and the flippers. And you'll notice the things aren't necessarily in order of like tools and stuff. It's in order of like the event. So like these are water themed things. Ooh, just a second. I'm going to go into game mode S to try this. So yeah. Flippers first of all. What they do is they like make you move slower on land, which they're doing right there. But however, in water, you swim way faster. See how fast I'm going? Whoa, awesome skills. So yeah, that's that. And then there's the scuba helmet, which normally you drown underwater, right? Like this. But you put the scuba helmet on and the bubbles aren't going down, as you may notice on the bottom right of the screen there. And basically, yeah, it just makes air bar not go down. And as for the life vest, right, you just like don't click anything and it automatically makes you float. So that's pretty cool. Cause look, if I take it off here, but put it back on, and then automatically goes back up. So yeah, those are the first 2 chests so far. Oh, and I forgot to show you how to craft those. The scuba helmet is 5 leather and like a leather helmet shape with glass pane. The flippers over here are 2 sticks at the bottom right and bottom left of the crafting table, and otherwise it's like a furnace pattern with leather, only with the 2 sides there off. And the other item was the life vest. That's basically just like a chest plate but with yellow wool. And yeah, you can see that. Also about these, this is part of the crafting pillars mod, and basically it's just like crafting pillars. There's like stuff that it like has stuff that you can craft, and like you can put them on pillars, and it's pretty cool. Anyways, on to these next few things. Oh, and you notice the flippers there. I'm just going to go on to this early because there's only one thing. The ice skates here, right? It's basically like the flippers where you say you go slow on land, but only it's with ice. Right, ice here. Boom, super fast right there. Whereas if you go on this, and as I said, sorry about background noise if you can hear any, but yeah. Also, check out my skin for my birthday. I still got my lichen eyes, my lichen body, my lichen nose, and my lichen eyebrow things, but it's like got a birthday present head, so yeah, that's that. And anyways, onto this bit here. Oh, and I'll also show you how to craft the ice skates, which I will actually put them back in here. The ice skates, basically, well, they're here. What happens is it's basically just leather boots with 3 iron underneath. Really simple, but really cool. And anyways, next chest, we've got quite a lot of stuff. Parachute, and mountain boots, spring boots, jetpack, helicopter hat and glider, and then these fuels are for the helicopter hat and the jetpack because they actually take fuel. You can have blaze powder, redstone, charcoal or coal. So yeah, basically I'll start off with the spring boots, and then watch spring boots. It basically lets you jump up 5 blocks high. So like you can jump all the way up there, and then if it's like a giant mountain, you could be like, nope, you're not stopping me today, mountain, from getting these emeralds, and then just go on top and stuff. And I'm gonna glide down from here with the glider, showing that basically there's this activation key, which is F. Because basically what happens is when you click F, it activates some things. So normally when I'm falling off, you'll see I'll fall like all the way down, like full speed, and then as soon as I click F, I'll start gliding. So I'm gonna just demonstrate that now. Yeah, basically that. So that's that. Then we've got the mountain boots. That climbs up 9 blocks high, which is its max here. So right at the back of here, climb. And I'm not in creative, as you can see I'm in survival, but the mountain boots are, oh wait, sorry, it's 8, my mistake. But 8 blocks high max. On that 9th one it kind of gets stuck, so I am gonna try to use this here to try to no, it doesn't work. Oh well, forget that. But yeah, basically it turns out it's 8 blocks. But yeah, basically you can just climb up there, and I will actually get to the top again using the jetpack, which it takes these fuels. And I'll also show the helicopter hat. Basically what happens is you with the fuels in your like inventory, you just hold space and then it automatically boosts you up, and there's cool flame particles as well. You know what, I'm going into the water with this. I know it's probably not a good idea because it'll cause an electrical fire, but So yeah, and also another thing like that is the helicopter hat here. It's basically the same, only when you hold space it's smoke particles. I'm not sure if there's animations, so I'll just kind of check that now, I guess, at the top. No like rotor animations, which would be pretty cool. And by the way, this mod is for 1.6.4, because I don't really have like Forge 1.7.2. I know it would be easy, but okay, so now that I've reviewed those, there's one more left to show on this bit, which is the parachute, right? You hold the activation key, and then it just glides you slowly down to the ground like that. So, yeah, these are pretty cool. And I'm also just going to quickly set the time today here, and I'm using not enough items, if you're wondering, for like the recipes and stuff. I'll just show you a quick demonstration of that. You can cheat stuff in, or I can tell you the recipe like that. So with like big mods and stuff, I'll probably be using that, or any mod at all really. And anyways, the last chest that I'm going to be getting to on this thing. Oh, I'll show you the crafting recipes of these first actually. So parachute. So the only one I haven't showed you so far is Heelys. So yeah, you saw the ice skates. These are the spring boots, just a piston and some leather boots. Those are the Heelys and flippers. These ones here, which are the mountain boots, they take 2 iron at the side and 1 boot in the middle, and this is what it makes. Yeah, the mountain boots, and I'm going to keep those on actually just because it's handy. But and then that's for the shoes. We'll review the jetpack, which is 2 blaze rods, 4 iron on the corners, like 2 blaze rods to the side, and then a glider in the middle. This is the glider here, and it takes a leather tunic, 2 paper, 2 string, and 4 sticks, like on the corners. And that makes the glider, which you use to make that. Yeah. And then there's this, which was the parachute that I showed you, and basically it's just a leather tunic, 3 leather on the top for the parachute bit, and then 2 string on either side, and leave the bit in the middle empty. Oh yeah. And that was the life vest. So this is the helicopter hat that I showed you. It's basically just a leather cap, a stick, and 3 iron at the top. And that's the crafting recipes for this chest right here. And I am also going to take some blaze powder and stuff because it will actually be really handy using the jetpack. Because I don't want to exactly. And yeah, basically, one last thing to show you here, which is Heelys. They are crafted with an ender pearl in like the bottom bit of the crafting table. 2 iron at the sides there, bottom left and bottom right. 2 string at the left and right of the middle bit, and then on the middle bit some leather boots, and that will make yourself some Heelys. And basically what to do is the activation key, basically, right, I've set up a little track here, but you just hold that activation key and it automatically runs super fast, like you've got speed to it and stuff, and it can still jump and the average things, but you know, it's just a way quicker way to get around, so it's cool. Mind you, you can't exactly jump very well with it because it kind of stunts the sprint, but yeah. So this is basically what happens, just automatically. I'm just holding F here because that's what the Heelys do, and then it does that. So yeah, and that is basically all I've got to show you for this mod. So yeah, I might as well show you how to make the crafting pillar though. Well, not show you, but basically all it is like you get a crafting table, and in fact, just a second. Okay, basically this crafting pillar, you just get 6 cobblestone in like a sideways ladder kind of pattern, and then a crafting table in the middle, and then that'll make the crafting pillar, which you get here. So yeah, that's basically the video, and see you next time.